Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing data. This saves hours later. Open your raw data and copy it into a clean data sheet, keeping a single header row so formulas reference reliably. Next, normalize formats. Convert date-like text to real dates, numbers to numeric type, trim spaces. Once done, add a new dashboard sheet and sketch blocks, a KPIs row at top, chart area in the middle, and filter controls on the right. This structure lets you build logically and scale easily. You now transform data into dashboard-ready metrics. First, make a helper sheet with unique lists for categories, normalized keys, and lookup columns. This reduces repeated formulas. Then create summary tables using query or combinations of filter, plus SUM and count, or SUMIFs and COUNTIFs for multi-criteria KPIs. Once summaries are stable, insert charts and connect them to those summary ranges. Make ranges dynamic with named ranges or indirect. You finish by polishing visuals and adding interactivity so viewers can explore. Align and label every KPI and chart, use contrasting colors for immediate sense-making, and protect formula cells so users don't overwrite them. Add slicers, drop-downs, or checkboxes tied to your helper ranges. For advanced actions, add an app's script button. If something breaks, first verify your ranges and named ranges, then inspect formulas for hash and slash or hash value errors, and confirm date locale. Finally, force a recalculation or refresh to clear stale cache.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.